Hi, this is Jeffrey Vasquez and this is Detailed Quantity Surveying, and this video is about Carpentry and Formworks. Carpentry and Formworks, since yung building natin for windows and doors doesn't need carpentry since it's metal and PVC, so let's go with Formworks and scaffoldings. So Formworks tayo sa columns. So column 1 at column 2. Column 1 natin is 3.3 by 0.3 meters and column 2 is 0.2 by 0.4 meters. So yan. Number of columns based sa plano natin is 18 na C1 at 3 na C2. Then height 7.2. Yan. So perimeter, ito yung formula. P is equals to 2 to the quantity of A plus B. Ang A natin is yung yung longer side, as B is the shorter side. Then plus 0.2. Yan. So meter yan, which is yan 1.4 itong C1. So 1.4 din itong C2. So sa area naman, multiply lang natin yung perimeter times the height. 1.4 times 7.2 times number of columns 18. So 181.44 square meters. Tapos ito rin sa C2, 1.4 times 7.2 times 3, which is 30.24. And then total area is add lang natin itong dalawa. So 211.68 square meters. Then number of 6 mm or 1/4 inch marine plywood ang gagamitin. So itong total area divide lang natin to ng constant na 2.88. Tapos round up natin. So yan, 211.68 divided by 2.88. Then round up is equals to 74. The number of lumber na gagamitin is multiply lang natin itong number of marine plywood ng 29.67 para sa 2 by 2. Yan, which is equals to 2,196 board foot. Sa beams naman, yan. Total length ng beam, which is according to observation, ating plan. So 112.2 sa tie beams, 118.6 sa beam 1 at beam 2 is 3 meters. Yan. Sa perimeters naman ito yung formula, 2D plus B plus 0.1. Yan. So B is yung longer side, yung vertical na side. Tapos B is yung side na maliit, which is in horizontal. So example, tie beam natin is 0.25 by 0.25 lang to. Tapos beam 1 is 10 inches by 22 inches. Yan. So 22 inches is the D and B is the 10 inches. So ayan. Substitute lang natin 2. For example, ito 2 times D na 0.25 plus 0.25 plus 0.1 is equals to 0.862. Tapos ito sa beam 1, 2 times 22 inches, 22 inches, convert natin to meters, which is 0.5588 plus B na 10 inches, which is 0.254 plus 0.1, which is equals to 1.4716. Yan. Then sa beam 2, ito rin gagawin. Yan. So, kunin lang natin yung total area, which is multiply perimeter by the length and by the number of beams. So, yan. 96.72, 174.53, and 3.0432. Then, add natin lahat. Ito yung total area in square meters, 274.29. The number of plywood, 1.2 by 2.4. plywood. Divide lang natin tong total area ng 2.88 tapos round up. So, yan. 96 plywood. Then, 96 multiplied by 25.6. Ito yung constant na i-multiply sa beams sa 2x2 na lumber. So, which is equals to 2,458 board feet. Scaffolding and staging naman tayo. Sa column tayo, staging of columns. So, C1 and C2, number of column, 18 at 3 pa rin. So, 7.2 at 7.2 pa rin ang height. Then, total length niya, yun, 7.2 times 18, which is 129.6. Tapos, 3 times 7.2 is 21.6. Tapos, total length is 151.2 meters. Yeah, meters. Then, vertical support na kukunin natin. So, yan. Total length lang yan, multiplied by 2x4, yan, which is ito. Sa column, 2x4, i-multiply natin yan ng 9.35. Now, so yan, total length multiplied by 9.35, tapos round up is equals to 1,414 board feet. Meron din nagagawin sa horizontal support. So, pinapili natin is 2x2. Yan. 2x2 horizontal is 21 na i-multiply sa ating total length. So, 3,176. Tapos, sa diagonal braces, 2x2 pa rin, which is equals to 11.7. So, total length multiplied by 11.7, then round up is equals to 1,770 board foot. Then total na board feet na gagamitin is 6,360 board foot. Sorry sa pagbasa, board feet pala yun, board feet. Staging for beams naman. So, tie beams, beam 1 at beam 2. Total length niya is 233.8 meters. So, pagkuha ng vertical support is kunin lang natin yung multiplier para sa 2x4, which is ito, 8. Yan, 8. And then, multiply natin to sa total length, which is equals to 1,871 board feet. Tapos, sa horizontal support naman, ng 2x2, yan, which is 4.7. So, multiply lang natin itong 4.7 sa total length na 233.8, which is equals to 1,099 board feet. Of course, rounded up na to. So, total na board feet na gagamitin is 2,970. Yan. So, staging of slabs naman. So, sa support na gagamitin is 2x3. So, yan. 2x3 is 9.1. So, multiply natin itong 9.1 sa total floor area. So, itong total floor area is base ito sa plano natin, which is we calculated dun sa pag-calculate ng concrete. So, yan. 184.09 square meters multiplied by 9.1, which is equals to 1,676 board feet. Tapos, number of plywood, itong floor area, divide lang natin ito ng 2.88, which is equals to 64. Of course, rounded up na. So, yan.